I've already pre-recorded this rant, and I've just realised that I wasn't recording the audio to it, so I'll have to have another little shout now. Right, market's just opened, and I thought this is usually one of the trades that I wouldn't bother recording just because of how embarrassing it is. But all this chop going on, all this fucking nonsense, and this dickhead decides to take a trade. Why? Show me the setup there. I don't even know why I did it. And this ultimately, I think, is my issue. You know, I have no discipline whatsoever. I'm impulsive. I have no patience. You know, and I think this is where I'm catching myself out pretty consistently. This inability to look at the charts, see that there is nothing going on, and walk away from it. It's unfortunate because I always, you know, the market's just opened after its hour siesta, and you know, I always used to make money. You know, just those first few candles when the market opens, I always used to make money doing that. But obviously the market was moving a little bit better than what it is here. That, you know, there was setups there to be traded. This isn't, and yet, you know, you can't help it. You can't not. You just got to do it. So yeah, this is so needless to say, the point I'm making is we are down $80. I'd tightened my stop up pretty drastically when I realised just how idiotic the trade was. But yeah, you know, it's not doing anything. It's just sort of grinding. It's not even grinding, as it's not going anywhere. It's just sort of trading within a range. But yeah, I mean, I've proved historically I don't know how to trade a range. I understand the principles. You know, you buy at the bottom and you sell it at the top. You know, I usually do the opposite. Yeah, I don't know. Well, anyway, I'll stop rambling. Right. So I didn't record any of this because I just didn't. This is by far the worst trading day I've ever had. I'm not exaggerating. Which is weird because, as you can see, it's a bit of a trend day. You know, we are pushing up there. You know, we've not got any real pullbacks going on. It is just we hit the bottom of that opening range and then straight through. All those arrows are trades. I haven't even bothered to count them. There was far too many. I was trading mainly on the 10-second. Well, I was trading pretty much solely on the 10-second chart, which just led me all over the place. I was getting stopped out of pretty much every fucking trade I was putting on. I mean, I had my stop losses set every single trade at 15 points, and it felt like I was getting stopped out of everything. I took a few shorts somewhere in there as well. Christ knows why. The 10-second chart just did me dirty today. And then, so I blew this account, and this account's gone. The last few trades that were put on right at the end there, they were literally no stop loss being used. Stopped myself out of a trade, $300 down, immediately jumped in the other way. Of course, there was an immediate bounce. So I stopped myself out at a $600 loss. Immediately went in there, just not, just royally on tilt. Just fuck it. Account's gone. Not gonna get it back. Fuck it. Let's just do whatever. Now somehow the market did absolutely fly at one point. It really, really went. And I jumped over onto my other account and I took 3 trades. I think I was the only person today on that move. I think it moved about 200 points in the space of a minute. I was the only person who lost money on those trades. How can you lose money on longs when the fucking market is moving up by about 200 points in a matter of minutes? Explain that to me. How? So needless to say, one blown account. The other account is down $500. And for full transparency, off the back of this worst trading day ever, the market shut for an hour. It's reopened. And this dickhead has put another losing trade on. What the fuck? I can't. I can't. It's just, I don't even fucking know what to say anymore. Fuck off.